Are you familiar with Denver zoning code? Do you know what your property is zoned as? It's important to know. You probably know that zoning codes dictate what can be built on a specific property or what that property can be used for. For example, if a property is zoned SUA, a single unit suburban style house may be built and it must have a minimum lot size of 3,000 square feet. Let's break down this code by each section so you can better understand Denver's layout. The first letter tells us the neighborhood context. Some of these letters, S, E, U, I, and M. Neighborhood context describes the general character of a neighborhood, including street and access patterns, building placement, location, height, and more. The second letter describes the dominant building's form and character. Here are some examples. SU indicates that a single unit may be built. TU means 2 units can be built. RH would indicate that a row house can be built. And MX indicates that the property is zoned for mixed use, like apartment buildings with a Chipotle at ground level. The third character can be a letter or a number. A letter indicates how many stories a building can be, and a letter indicates the minimum lot size in square feet. Occasionally, there is an additional number or letter attached to the end of the code. This indicates a special purpose or provisions are allowed on that property. So, in our earlier example, SUA, the S means the neighborhood is in a suburban context. SU indicates that a single unit is allowed, and the A tells us that the lot has to be a minimum of 3,000 square feet. Zoning code can be complex and not always black and white. In later videos, I will explain other zoning codes and what their intent is. If you are unsure what your home zoning code is or what can be done on your property, reach out to a Halo Group real estate advisor today. And if someone you know is looking to buy or sell a home, please refer them to us. We'd love to help. Advice that matters, representation that cares, results that deliver. Halo Group.